Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to set up date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings, scroll down, and right here you should find the additional settings. From the following list, let's choose date and time, the second option, and here you can change, for example, the 24-hour format. You can enable or disable this feature, or you can here set date manually if you disable the following automatic set date of time. So here you can select right now the time zone. As you can see here, you've got all available time zones. You can also here select manually the time. Here you've got the date and the exact time of your device. And if you would like to go back to automatic configuration, let's enable this feature. And basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.